because we go to the museum, and then we will see our vineyards. They are, that I told you that they are on the rocks. And here, unfortunately, our vineyards, they are getting extincted. Because it's a lot of work, and it's not a lot of money that pays all of that. No machinery in our vineyards, because you will see why. Because they are in small squares, full of volcanic rock. The only thing that they use is hands and the baskets that you have right there. And it's really funny because the baskets, you have a bee, not from a basket. It's a bee from biscoitos. Because, not now, but 20 or 30 years ago, you had like a lot of people that joined here from a lot of villages to grab the grapes. And normally they mark their own villages just to be on one side and the other one. Some of these
Barrels.
Thank you. The barrel. We say barril, I don't know why I say barril. Some of them, they still have some wine. It's like the remain of the wine that they use for the moonshine. But they don't know if they will produce more or not. And of course, they don't produce here. We have another area behind this house. That they produce here, and of course the biggest area we have, we call the Biscoitos cooperative. That is normally, then once they join the big area to produce the wine and to export.
Right.
Of course, not every year is enough to export. Sometimes it's just for the island, and even it's difficult for you to find this wine in the restaurants. First of all, because it's not a lot, it's expensive. This wine for you is very easy to find wine from Portugal mainland or from Pico. If you want to try our wine, you can ask the wine from Biscoitos, or second chance try to ask from Pico. Normally a lot of the restaurants they have from Pico. Of course the prices are different because from mainland you have really good wines, less than half of the price on the other one, but of course they are all unique. Like I told you, white wine here, red from Pico, and red and white from mainland. And if you want a suggestion, I love the wine from north of Portugal, called Porto, or Douro, that is the beautiful area, or Alentejo, in south center area of Portugal. I love the Alentejo wine. I'm a big fan of white wine. So I'm not a big red, so if you ask me about reds, I'm not the best person for that. Let's see if we can see more, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so like I told, it's the Brum family, and you can try one type of wine that we have here. The wine that you will try is the Chico Maria 1450. It's sweet wine, awesome for desserts with cheese. It's a really good, and you will try right now. These two right here, they are table wine, white, like I told you. You have Donatário and the Resistência, both table. Then you have the two in the middle are sweet wines that you will try, the Chico Maria, and the two right here on the left side. They are, I forgot.
É seco e meio seco.
Esqueci da palavra. Blackout. Dry. Oh my gosh, I was like,
There goes your face.
I'm going to the United States with a blackout. Oh my gosh. Okay, dry, sweet table. Okay? So please.
This is after the
Is this one right here? Chico Maria, the 1450. Is that one? It's a 1450.
What's the difference?
One is more sweet than the other one, the other is more dry.
Keep moving along.
Acho que ainda falta.
A senhora estava a dizer que era um processo que a gente também não tinha contado.
Are these,
It's true.
are these
It's a real.
detritus, or they dried them, or how does they make them sweet?
It's the grape.
They make it soft.
Okay, so it's strictly
Yes.
not detritus or anything like that?
No. Stop it. If you want less the fermentation more. All the time.
Okay, so
Dry
you stop,
all the time.
you stop it with the
We stop with spirit. I make a little bit spirit.
Okay.
Fermentation is just one day.
Now I know the all over the world. Honey.
That's one way to stop
Take
the
over.
fermentation.
This is too sweet for
This is
me.
this.
Artificial.
This is,
And this is a medium, not so sweet, not so dry. Okay.
We have time.
Not jacketed fermentation.
and these two are
Stop
dry.
these from the
This
before.
was dry, but it's
Dry
table.
by basically killing it before.
Oh, rather
Or you
than,
can develop
Yes.
as they're white or red?
Just go behind the barrel.
Only white.